Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Gather one A4 sheet, scissors, glue, pencil, ruler, and light blue marker. Fold the paper in half lengthwise, then open and fold each long edge to the center crease so you have a sturdy base. This forms Elsa's body and dress. Once done, fold the bottom edge inward 1/3 to create a hem for stability. Make small arm tabs by folding narrow strips outward. These first folds set proportions, so measure visually and adjust to keep a balanced, standing figure. Now shape Elsa's identity. Cut a small oval for the head and lightly sketch eyes, nose, and a soft smile. Erase until proportion feels natural. For hair, cut 3 thin strips, braid them, and glue to the back of the head. This creates a textured braid that reads well from a distance. For the dress, form pleats by folding 1/2-inch increments and glue them to the torso. Add a scalloped hem and attach a thin cape behind the shoulders. These details bring the character into focus and add dimension. Finish by attaching the head to the body with the prepared tab. Apply glue, align center, clamp briefly with a clothespin if needed. Glue arms into their tabs and position the braid over one shoulder. Add a thin paper cape behind the shoulders, then decorate with markers and a light dusting of glitter glue for frosty detail. If the figure leans, reinforce the base with a small glued paper disc or add a tiny weight. If seams lift, reapply glue and press until set. Trim asymmetries carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.